Hello everybody, today's tutorial is about overriding the delete action inside our view set, okay, or model view set. But before we override, let's see or let's experience the default behavior of delete action. To do that, first we need to run the server. Let's open the terminal and activate the virtual environment. After that, we will run the server, or let's navigate to our application, my API, and then run the server. So now let's perform a delete action by sending a delete request to our API. Let's use the postman. So inside the postman here, first let's perform a get request and see what objects or what data we have, okay? So here, as you see, we have the cars that we stored or saved in previous tutorials, and we need to delete one of those of these objects. Okay, so to do that, we just put the ID, okay, and the endpoint on in the URL. Let's put 8. Choose delete this BMW M4, okay, and let's change this to delete, and let's send request. So we don't know what happened. Actually, it was supposed to be deleted, okay? In order to know that, we need to perform a get request to see if object with ID 8 still exists. So let's do this. If we see now, there is no, the M4 is not there anymore because we deleted it. But if you notice that we didn't get any response from our API to tell us that the object has been deleted or not. So this is one of the reasons that we need to override a delete action, okay? Let's go ahead, let's go there, back to our view, and do that, okay? So inside our view, to override the delete action, we need to write a method here called destroy. So let's do that. And destroy takes the same parameters or arguments that previous functions like create takes. Okay, it's really simple, guys. We just need to say car to create an instant for an object equals self dot get object, and after that we need to delete this object dot delete. Okay, so that's it. This will do the job for us. And we need to send a response, return response. The response will tell the front end that the object has been deleted, okay, or the item has been deleted, okay? So let's try that here. Item has been deleted. Okay, so let's try this and see if it works. Let's save, wait for the server to rerun, and then go. Let's delete the item with the ID number 4, or object with the ID number 4. So we put 4 here, the ID, and we choose delete, and then we send. And as we see now, we deleted the item and we got a response saying that item has been deleted, which is very good feedback. Okay. Another reason why we would need to override the delete action is to do some kind of, check, like if this user that logged in now allowed to delete this or not. Okay. So inside our method here, our action, in order to get the logged in user, we can use the request argument to get that. Okay. So we just need to say here, for example, logged in, okay, user equal request dot user. Okay, and that will give us the user that's logged in now and performing the delete request. So after that, let's change it back to user. After that, we can perform, don't do that, user. Okay, and after that, we can perform an if statement. Okay, to put the condition like if logged in user is admin. Okay, then you can perform the delete action. Okay, and we can, create a response here, message, response message equal, and we put this here. Okay, but if the logged in user is not an admin, okay, else we don't want to perform the delete, and the response message will be, for example, not allowed. Okay, something like that. Let's do that here. Okay, for example, in here we change this to response message. Okay, so now let's try this, or let's test and see if it works. Let's save it, wait for the server to rerun. So inside here, I'm logged in as not as an admin. Okay, so let's perform a GET request again. Okay, so inside here, I'm not logged as an admin. Okay, how to know that? If I go to headers, for example, this is the token that I'm logged in with, which refers to, if we go to the admin panel, go tokens, this is Alan. Okay, so this is not the admin. Okay, and we got here, how, because here we have the tokens, and tokens are the unique IDs for our users, and so this is the token that we need to send as a header with our request in order to be authorized. Okay, so this is not an admin. Okay, and I need now to perform a delete action and send it by sending a delete request and see what response I get. Okay, let's choose the item with the ID 3 and choose delete and send, and as you see now here we get a response says not allowed. So this is like one of the reasons that we need to override and delete actions. Also, there is many reasons, depends on your applications, but basically this is how we do it, and will give you more control on your API. So that's it guys for this tutorial. Thank you for your time.